Yo guys, this is Aprix here. Welcome back to another video, and today we'll be trying out Nintendo Switch emulator on a low-end Android device. So let's get started through today's video. And the devices which started it all are right here in my hands. Now if you have been following me since a long time, then you know that this was my first Android device which I used to create Citra emulator videos back about 4 years ago. This used to be my daily driver, and this is Realme 1 which I used to upload gameplay videos of games like Pokemon Sun and Moon. This has Mediatek Helio P60 processor, 4GB of RAM, and it is currently on Android 9. Now the crazy part is, if you just go ahead and open Play Store and search for Egg Simulator, according to the Egg Simulator team, it is compatible with Android 9 or above. And as my Realme 1 has Android 9 on an old low-end Android device, back in the day this used to be one of the best devices you could get, almost flagship in very cheap, and now it's very old but still works flawlessly. Just take a look at this, bro. It's very smooth. So let's just go ahead and try opening it. So first of all, it might be slow because it's around 4 years old. So once we open the Egg Simulator, we can just go ahead and click on agree and click on allow. As you can see right here, this is going to be very special because if we can emulate Nintendo Switch games on a low-end devices, games such as Sonic Mania, not even heavy games, then it will be very cool to see. I would also test Skyline emulator on this device, but unfortunately, as you can see, it's stuck with the Android version 9. So for now, we'll settle for Egg Simulator. As you can see, it has opened. Now as usual, to set up Egg Simulator, as you know, you go to game settings, you select the data directory, as we'll need to select the SwitchDroid folder. So just go to your internal storage, select the SwitchDroid folder, and let's see if Egg Simulator crashes or works. It will take some time to load because it might be copying all these files present in the SwitchDroid folder to its main Egg Simulator directory. But if this works, then it's going to be really cool to see Nintendo Switch emulation on a low-end device. And it appears to be have frozen. We have a black screen. Okay, let's try waiting. And there it goes, guys. The Egg Simulator has crashed. Let's try opening the Egg Simulator again. Hopefully it works. Alright, Egg Simulator. Continue to app. No guys, it's just crashing again and again. So unfortunately, this is the truth which I wanted to show you guys about Nintendo Switch emulation not being possible on low-end devices. If you have Android 10 or above, then you have a chance of being able to emulate games like Sonic Mania, at least on Skyline emulator, but Android 9 not possible. Even if the Egg Simulator says that they are compatible with Android 9, they still won't let you try out the app, which is very unfortunate. But on the bright side, if you want to try out the low-end Android device, then you can try out cloud gaming methods. There are many apps and services available on Google Play Store which lets you stream few games through their cloud gaming servers, which is pretty cool. You can definitely try it out. But would I recommend it though? The answer is going to be no, obviously. As you know, most of the cloud gaming apps nowadays reset your progress once you restart the app or reopen the game which you are playing before, which is very unfortunate. To save data, then you can try out cloud gaming service known as Loud Play, which is available on Play Store. That if you buy the subscription, they give you an virtual PC which also stores you. All you need is an active internet connection. I would have also loved to test out Skyline emulator on my Realme 1. I really wanted to see how will it perform, because I am pretty sure that Skyline emulator is way better in terms of emulating games, or at least compatible devices. If you have Android 10, you can pretty much definitely try out Skyline emulator. Even if it's not able to open the game, at least the emulator will work properly. So I really wanted to give that a try. I am pretty sure that Sonic Mania would have probably worked if my Realme 1 had Android 10. But unfortunately, things never go as planned, and Skyline does not support devices which are below Android version 10. So that will be the conclusion of our today's video. I'd also like to let you guys know that if you have a device with Android 10 but mid-range Snapdragon processor, then you can check out my video which I already did on testing Skyline emulator on low-end Android device. I basically tried emulating games like Sonic Mania, Let's Go Pikachu on my another 4-year-old low-end device, which is Redmi Note 7. Be sure to check out that video. It will be in the iCard above. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Goodbye.